Dear colleagues and friends, I am Dr. Mustafa Aldam, the President of MEGO Dubai 2022, the Middle East Obstetrics and Gynecology Conference in Dubai. It gives me a great pleasure to invite you to the biggest Obstetrics and Gynecology Conference to be held in Dubai from 26 May to 29th of May 2022. This annual event is gonna be the first of its kind. Come to explore the best, the high end of the competence spectrum of knowledge. The 4 days event, 2 days workshop, hands-on training along with 2 days conference. At MEGO Dubai 2022, we help you discover and learn more about the topic of minimal invasive surgery in gynecology, laparoscopic surgery, urogynecology, reproductive endocrinology, infertility, IVF, and the booming field of cosmetic gynae, fetal medicine, oncology, stem cell, and regenerative medicine in gynecology. There will be a 35 international speaker, 50 lectures, workshop, and training program, networking opportunity. Tell you something. Faith, God, and karma are something in what you believe or not, but in science, what you know or not. Dubai is a magnificent city. We welcome you in the city of dream, where impossible is nothing. Dubai is famous for sightseeing attractions such as Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, shopping mall, beaches, as well as modern infrastructure. Leaving the lockdown time after the pandemic, we are recovering in 2022. Let's go back to our normal life, normal face-to-face meeting and learning. Join us with your colleagues to experience what will be one of the most exciting conferences for you to learn, discover, and explore. There is no reason to hold back unless you have an allergy to success. It is no-brainer. See you in MEGO Dubai 2022. See you in Dubai.